Yes, YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Sorry I've been gone for a minute, but as you can tell by the title, today I'm unboxing the new Spider-Man Limited Edition PS5. So let's get straight into it. So the packaging is basically the same as the original PS5. The only difference is the artwork. On the front you have the two Spider-Men, Miles Morales and Peter Parker, but with Peter Parker he's slowly being taken over by the symbiote, and he's shooting black web instead of white. Then on the back you have both the Spider-Men swinging it out with Venom. Can't lie, the artwork is sick. Once you get the box open, you get a digital version of the game ready to download in October. The usual PS5 manuals. The power supply. The PS5 controller, we'll come back to that later. PS5 stand. HDMI 2.1, and you also get a USB-C to charge the controller. I almost left it in the box, don't forget that. Now let's take a look at the main reason why everybody's here, the new PS5. Nah, I can't lie, it looks sick, and I'm a big fan of both the colorways, but I personally like the all black side with the little white Spider-Man logo at the bottom. Add the controller to the mix and things just get stupid. The design on this is cold. Taking a closer look at the red side, you can see that this side is clearly meant to represent Spider-Man, slowly being taken over by Venom, and the tendrils making their way around his costume. Detail on it is sick, and overall I think they've done a good job with the balance between red and black. The only thing I could say that was maybe missing was a bit of blue to fully represent Spider-Man's costume, but other than that, I think it's a cold look. On the flip side, it's a complete blackout, showing that Venom's fully taken over, with nothing but a small white logo to represent Spider-Man. I personally think this side has got the cleanest look, and it goes with the aesthetics of my room, so I'll probably have this side on show the most. What do you man prefer? Let me know in the comments which one you guys would choose. Moving on, let's take a closer look at the controller. I personally feel like this is the best part about the limited edition bundle. It continues on with the same theme as the PS5, with the symbiote slowly taking over Peter Parker's suit, but I just think the whole thing looks neater on the controller than it does on the console, and the white and grey buttons almost give the whole thing a cartoonish look. I do feel like they could have added something to the back of the controller though. Also, you can't tell by holding them separately, but if you look closely, the red on the PS5 controller is a little bit different from the red on the PS5 itself. Now, depending on how you have your PS5 set up, if you have it horizontally under a unit, you're not going to be able to see any of the patterns, which I think is a bit of a problem. I feel like Sony, to separate this from all the other PS5s and PS5 shells, they should have added something to the middle to let you know that this was a limited edition. I feel like they kind of dropped the ball on this one. But if you have it on display and it's laid down like this, it still looks cool. But overall, I feel like Sony did a sick job. The only thing I'll say that's missing is something to let you know that the PS5 and the controller are part of a limited edition set. Either way, I'm still hyped for the game's release in October, and to be fair, that's all that really matters. Anyway, this brings us to the end of the video. If you've liked it, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, give me your thoughts in the comments. I'm out. Peace.